during Lent, we fast for 40 days.
What does fast mean?
Fast means that we go without something we really like for a while.
Like video games?
Sure, but it could be something else.
That would be hard.
Yeah, speaking of hard, did you know that Jesus fasted from food and water for 40 days?
Whoa.
He fasted 40 days and 40 nights.
Whoa.
He fasted 40 days and 40 nights.
Whoa.
He fasted 40 days and 40 nights. And afterwards,
What?
he was famished. He fasted 40 days and 40 nights. And afterwards, he was famished.
And afterwards, he was famished.
Matthew 4 verse 2.
He was famished. Subscribe.